Good morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish anything that you want in life. In today's video, I am going to take some curly hair on a high top and turn it into 8 large braids, kind of like Travis Scott's. As you can see, my guest right here has pretty long hair, so for this style, having long hair is great because it'll give you a nice, beautiful, polished look. This style can definitely work for you too if your hair is shorter than his. So after the blow dry, I'm starting out by parting the hair right in the middle. Getting that middle part straight can be a little bit tricky, so if you find yourself parting, reparting, and even more reparting, that's okay. Just take your time and do your best because you'll get it eventually. You'd rather take your time and repart than have a crooked part because that ain't cute. So I'm going to start off by making the first part in the front. So pay attention to what I'm doing right here. I created that first part and now I'm putting a part in the back. You see that on the same side. And after checking that for balance, I'm going to put another part in the middle. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to make sure that I have balance the whole time. So I pre-part the hair to check for balance before even braiding anything. This little trick right here, you guys, can help you out through so much. So right here, I'm just adding my Get Twisted gel on the roots of his hair. You can use whatever gel you have at home. You can use a nice sturdy gel, whatever gel you have at home, just to tame flyaways. Also, you guys, another trick is to use that same gel and put it on the ends of the hair. This just helps to make sure that the ends are smooth and not trashy looking, so it looks more uniform with the whole braid.